They introduced a gay character on Sesame Street. Who do you think the gay character I'm talking about is?
The grout, gay grout, green gay gout, green gay grout.
That is a tongue twister. That's the new challenge.
Green gray kraut.
Green gray. It's hard for me. Green
Bing
gay. Bing gay.
What's going on, bro?
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog, episode 1, 2. So basically what we're doing today, we're going to be learning chants. Step 1, you want to get into your chant.
Hey, Gainer. Hey!
Stop.
That was clean. So, me and my girlfriend, we're watching the Hot Ones. We bought some hot sauces online. First one just came in. The Mad Dog 357. It says Scorpion on it randomly. I'm an unboxing channel now. And I didn't open the box right, I'm sorry. It's someone playing the guy. He didn't ring the doorbell or anything. I was walking in the living room to see like dude with the package. He just runs to the door. And runs away like it's like to bomb. I'm like, what is this? That looks red. Look at that label. Look at that. That looks beautiful. One taste of Mad Dog 357 Ghost Pepper Hot Sauce and you will see your own. Made with one of the world's hottest chili peppers.
I'm gonna like get like a half of a drop. That's a lot. I mean.
Sweet. Woo, it gets it back to your throat though.
Ooh. Yeah. Ooh.
Woo!
Yep, that's pretty spicy. Yeah, so.
Woo! Ain't even that hot though. I'll still throw a trip. Ain't even that hot.
I mean, that's pretty bad.
It's not initially hot.
Ooh.
It just keeps lasting. So if y'all have ideas for this, let me know. I already got a few. And we have like 2 more bottles coming, right, babe?
Yeah, 2 more.
Oh. My girlfriend ate some hot sauce. She's drank water after, and water's supposed to like make it spicier. So I was like, oh, that sounds fun. So I had the idea to get a hot Cheeto, and I was going to dip a little bit in. So a lot more got on the Cheeto than I expected. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna drink some water after and see what happens.
That's a lot. Yeah. I came home and there's another package. So now we're gonna see which one this is. Oh shit, that scared me for a bit. That scared me. I forgot the spiral was on it. I almost jumped it through the bottle. I was like, $1 for Daisy.
It's burning my hand, y'all. It's burning.
Is it really?
No.
Oh, thought maybe. Okay, go.
Oh no.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
That's like immediate. Oh no.
Oh, God.
I immediately got hiccups.
Oh, my God. That was a big
I've never had the hiccups before from hot sauce.
Yeah.
I've never. Holy shit. So this is how much May's gonna do.
I'm so scared right now. Okay.
It's just intense.
I'm trying to have no reaction.
Kind of looks like a finger.
I'm scared. Oh, I swallowed it too fast.
It's hot, right?
It's very hot.
Okay.
It's very hot. It's very good. It's very tasty. Very, very, very hot. It burns my tongue.
Like, I'm scared from like 1 to 10.
9. And it went 7.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this content. I'm going to be filming a lot of outros because I always forget to do my outros. So if you see me standing outside in the same shirt for the next like week or two. I appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this content, look at my other vlogs, check out my other vlogs. Who in my next video should I get with my hot sauce? Also, next video I'm gonna do with my friends. Take it easy, y'all.
Rough cubed. Quadrupled.